Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this look right here. It is just like making me think of sunsets and like beaches and summer. I know it's not summer yet, but in my defense, it's summer somewhere in the world. So that's what I'm going with, you know? In Spain, it's always hot, so technically summer. See my logic? And guys, by the way, I do have an Instagram. If you do want to follow me on Instagram, that would be great. My Instagram handle is Lacey.Makeup. Feel free to give us a follow. That would be, you know, fab as well. But anyway, let's get into the video. So for today's look, we're going to start off with the shade Lit from the Stacey Marie and bPerfect Carnival palette. This one here. And I'm popping that straight into my crease. And for primer today, I used my HEEEY GUUUYS base in 0.1. So then I'm going to buff that colour out with the shade Keen. I just dropped a brush. So I'm then going to go in with Wifey. It's a really pretty shade. I start applying that, well, first dab now on the outer part of the eye. And doing the same to the other eye. And I'm not sure you can tell, but we're going for a colourful look today. Obviously, it wouldn't be my channel if we didn't do a better colour. I just felt like I haven't really done colour in some time, so I thought I'd give you guys one of these looks, because let's be real, they're like the funnest looks to do. Then I'm just reapplying some of that yellow shade, that Keen shade, just on the outer part, just to make sure none of that yellow got blended away. So then I think I'm going to go in with Guilty and dab that on the outer part too. Then I'm just going to cut my crease, I think. So I'm going to go in with the shade Hush. Never actually used this shade before, so that'd be nice. Then I'm just tapping whatever's left on my brush just to blend out those edges. So I am going to go in with Liquor just to deepen that look out. Alright, I'm just going to do the exact same to the other eye so that we're caught up, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Right, so I'm back. I've just applied a little bit of liner just around the eyes. Obviously I've not done a wing. I've not done a wing or anything. I've just done it like a small minimal bit of eyeliner, just where I'm going to apply some falsies. And the falsies that I'm going to be using are the Doll Beauty lashes in the style Jasmine. So what I like to do with new lashes is just bend them in between my fingers just so they're a bit more easier to apply onto the lid. So you guys will have to let me know, but I was thinking of doing like a TMI tag video, just, you know, for you guys to get to know me a bit more. Obviously, if that's not your cup of tea and you don't really like those videos, then obviously I won't do it, but I don't know, it's just one of those videos that I was thinking about, and, you know, how else are you supposed to get to know me? Although, you know, if you don't want to get to know me, you know, that's fine too. I mean, I'm used to it. I'm joking, that was like a weird joke, wasn't it? But yeah, you guys have to let me know if you want to see that kind of tag. If not, then I'm not going to do it, obviously, if you don't want to see it. But it's worth an ask. I'm low-key like loving this look, actually. I thought it was going to go to shit, but I'm living for it, I'm not going to lie. Ah, I lost my lash. Get back here, you. Oh, I like these lashes. Oh, wow. They are so cute. You know, like, don't get me wrong, I do like doing my makeup tutorials, obviously. It's what I love doing, so I'm gonna do them. But, you know, sometimes I just want to do like a chill out, talk to you guys kind of videos. But I've got a feeling maybe that won't be very interesting. But, you know, I've done like loads of tutorials on my channel so far. And I'm just thinking of like different things I could do. So like that tag was one of the ideas that I had. Obviously I've got a haul coming soon. I'm just waiting for the last couple of things to come and then I will do that for you guys. I kind of need to start like pre-filming as well because I'm going to be gone on holiday soon and obviously I want to make sure that you guys got something to watch while I am away and struggling to get a tan. But yeah, so I didn't know if you wanted to see like packing with me, like what I'm going to be packing, like makeup wise. It's so windy today, like I literally feel like the house is going to fall down. So I apologise if you can hear the wind, but my windows are closed, like I don't know how else to stop the wind, you know. So I am going to go in with my Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. I feel like I don't use it very often because it's like hella expensive. And I don't want to keep repurchasing it, basically. But it does feel really nice on the skin, not gonna lie. So for foundation, we're going old school now. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC10. And then I am just gonna pop a little bit of the Cover FX Drops in Celestial on the back of my hand as well. And then kind of just mix them up. Like, I'm sorry, but does this foundation like ever get old? It's such a perfect foundation. So then I'm gonna cream contour as per usual with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Sand. I'm gonna warm up the face a little bit. You know what, I just forget how much I like this foundation, especially when there's all these new foundations coming out. For concealer, I am going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. And just blend that in. And to powder, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. Then I'm just going to go over with the powder as well on a brush and just kind of lightly tap that around. Then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my Becca bronzer in Sunrise Waves. Loving this for a really glowy bronzer lately. Then I'm going to go with my ABH contour kit. For blush, I am going to go in with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, just because she's so pretty. Wow, our skin is looking so glowy today. So as I am waiting for this to bake, I think we should probably finish off with the eyes, don't you reckon? Okay, so going back into my bPerfect Carnival palette. Let's see, what do we need to start with first? I think I'm actually going to go in with Wifey first and kind of brush that under there. Then I think we're going to go, well I might just blend that out first. So I am then going to go in with a little bit of lip. A little bit of lip. And kind of lightly brush that under there too. Then with Keen, I'm going to buff those colours out. Then I'm gonna go with liquor and add a little bit of that too. But mainly on the outer part of the eye. Because what I like to do is I buff in the bottom part of the eye and then I kind of swoop it back to the top of the eye. Just so I feel like it all kind of connects. Because especially as there's no wing there, you got to somehow make it look like it's all connected. Rather than it looking like kind of not so matchy-matchy, if you get what I mean. I hope so, because most of the time I don't even get what I mean. Right, so I'm going to apply some mascara. Then for my inner corner highlight, I think I'm going to mix these two shades in the palette together. Then with just the goldeny shade called Sinner, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Right, eyes done. Let's zoom you out. So I'm brushing the powder off. And to highlight, I'm obviously going to be using my Jeffree Star highlighter in the shade Ice Cold. Ice Cold? Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. You know what? I might just add a little bit of that Sinner. Just a little bit because it is a bit gold, you know. And just apply a small amount of it on top just so it all kind of ties in nicely. Oh my god, look at the skin. The highlight is... oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Right, what lip liner do I want? Oh yeah, let's go with this one. So I'm going to do my lips now. And the liner that I'm using is my Velveteen's lip liner from Line Crime in the shade Angel. And my lipstick duo today is going to be the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in I'm Nude, and the gloss I'm going to go in with is my Buxom White Russian. And I know what you guys are going to say, you use the Jeffree Star lipstick all the time. But the way I see it, why fix something that ain't broken, you know? And some gloss. This set of mist is from Morphe, BTW. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this look today. I am loving it. It makes me feel like summer, even though I know it's not summer, but it's somewhere, is it somewhere? It's summer somewhere around the world. Just look at this look, you know? I am loving it. I'm not just trying to toot my own horn or anything, but I honestly think this look is a look, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this look. If you did, feel free to give us a thumbs up, comment down below and tell me what you thought of the look. And not to sound like a beggar or anything, but if you want, you could always subscribe if you want to see more videos of me doing my makeup, you know, us having a little chill out session. But until next time guys, bye.